Okay, next topic is the table นะครับ so actually most of the time you're gonna have a lot of the data นะฮะ but since we want to make sure that you understand, so we may start from scratch นะฮะ something like that นะฮะ okay, so let's see we may have something like the table นะครับ maybe I said character นะฮะ it can be anything นะฮะ but I want to put database or character because table is mean we use Microsoft Excel like the database นะครับ so we have the ID C001 like the character number one, the name of the character number one should be Sara นะครับ Sara นะครับ and then every character gonna have the element นะครับ so element I said electro นะครับ electro the element นะครับ and then ESP if you play online game or any game, you're gonna know that ESP is like experience, like it means something like the score นะครับ for I mean the ability score นะครับ something like that. Okay, so I have another one นะครับ 02 okay, the name gonna be Candace นะครับ Candace นะฮะ so the Candace is hydro นะครับ okay, the Candace supposed to be maybe 300 นะครับ okay, so I'm gonna just put the data นะฮะ okay, Lisa นะครับ Lisa is electro as well นะฮะ the Lisa is maybe 200 นะครับ okay, the zero 4 นะครับ sucrose นะฮะ sucrose is anemo นะครับ anemo and then maybe 100 นะครับ and then 305 นะครับCree นะฮะ Cree is pyro นะครับ and then Cree is 1,000 pyro not pyro นะฮะ okay here okay, so this one is the data นะครับ is the data, so in order to do the data like this one นะฮะwe want to format it, right? So why we need to format it นะฮะ we format it so that we can do sorting and filtering, and then later on we can do the pivot table นะครับ however in this slide นะฮะI mean the Excel function we will not include pivot table นะครับ so the pivot table you need to do it in something like get my tab นะฮะ okay, however we come back to this one นะฮะ if you want to do the table, you select the data you want นะครับ and then you go to the menu นะครับ the menu they should have the menu and then set format as table, so you can select any color you want. So for example, I select this color and then set my table have the header, right? So I just click OK, and that's it. You can have the table, you can sort, you can filter. Now for example, instead of sorting by the ID, right? This one is the ID. I said maybe I sort by the EXP นี่ something like that นะครับ so or maybe we do the by exp and then that just to smallest, no problem นะครับ we can sort by the element นะครับ like the this one like alphabet order, right? And then what we can do is mean we can just set we want to do filter as well, right? So for example, I gonna filter only electro นะครับ and then gonna have the data like this. So what about we sort by the name and electro นะครับ so that we can do it too. However, whenever you do the filter, please make sure that the data is still exist. The data is not deleted, but you just cannot see นะครับ so if you want to see on the data, you need to remove on the filter นะฮะ okay, so this is the way to use it the table นะครับ so that is sorting and filtering data